Welcome back to Palm Hopes Foundation Elite Schools, and in this lesson number 5, we are continuing to discuss about our most common computer problems. So in this video, we are going to be learning about network security threats and also installing and updating device drivers. So let's go down and see what we are going to be talking about. Network security threats. I think in the image you can see the man is trying to struggle with the internet, is trying to do this and this and this, is about to even slap the laptop. But now let's see network security threats as one of the common problems with computers. So now, network security threats. In our interconnected world, network security is paramount, not only for business but also for individual users. As our reliance on the internet grows, so does the propensity for network security threats. These threats come in many forms and can compromise personal information, leads to data loss, or result in unauthorized access to your systems. So, overview of network security threats. Here are some prevalent forms of network threats you should be aware of. Phishing attempts, fraudulent communications that aim to steal sensitive information. So that is phishing, fraudulent communication that aim to steal sensitive information. Man in the middle attacks, unauthorized interceptions of data being sent between two systems. Malware, harmful software designed to damage or access a computer system without consent. Denial of service, that is those attacks are targeted attempts to disrupt service and make a computer resource unavailable to its users. Strategies for securing your home network. To keep your network secure, use strong passwords. Avoid common phrases or strings and use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. That is how you can create a strong password, by using a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. Keep your software updated. This includes your operating system, apps, and firmware on network devices. This includes your operating system, apps, and firmware on networking devices. Utilize a firewall. Take these protective measures, whether it is the built-in firewall on your operating system or an additional hardware firewall. So secure your Wi-Fi. So what do we mean here by securing your Wi-Fi? If possible, encrypt your Wi-Fi with a WPA3 and turn off WPS, that is Wi-Fi protected setup. Educate users. Make sure all users on the network understand the importance of security practices. So let's continue. I hope that you are getting something. If in case you are not get something is confusing you, consider to comment down below. And in case it is I'm adding value on you, consider to subscribe. Then let's continue. Importance of VPNs. Virtual private networks can also boost your security by encrypting data between your device and the internet. Virtual private networks can also boost your security by encrypting data between your device and the internet. They are particularly useful when connecting to untrusted public Wi-Fi networks. Responding to security breaches. In case of a breach, change passwords immediately. In the case of any network breach, meaning that in the case there is something you are not understanding that is going up with your email, with your document, with your computer, change the password immediately, because you might find that there is someone who is trying to hack into your computer. Then check for malware using reliable antivirus software. So check for malwares, those viruses. Assess the damage. Identify what information may have been compromised. Inform affected parties. If customer data is breached, inform them properly. Strengthen your defense. Post-breach is an excellent time to releases and improve security measures. So we are having peripheral device issues. Peripheral device issues. So let's see, what are the peripheral device issues? Issues with computer peripherals like printers, scanners, and external storage devices can disrupt work and cause frustration. Common peripheral device problems include devices not being recognized, refusing to work, or producing poor quality output. So let's continue. Let us continue. Troubleshooting peripheral problems. Before diving into complicated solutions, try these basics. Troubleshooting methods. Try these basic troubleshooting methods. Check physical connections. Ensure cables are firmly connected and USB ports are working. Restart the peripheral. A simple power cycle can sometimes fix communication issues. Restart the peripheral, meaning that restart your computer, restart that device. Maybe if it is a flash, remove it and again fix it back. If it is a cable, just plug it out and again plug it in. So check for compatibility. Ensure the peripheral is compatible with your operating system. So let's say that you have installed a device. For example, let's say a microphone. Make sure that the microphone you are trying to install is compatible with the current operating system. It might be Windows, it might be Linux, it might be other types of operating systems. So installing and updating drivers. Device drivers are crucial. Install the correct drivers. If your device is not recognized, install or update the drivers provided by the manufacturer. Use latest drivers. Keeping drivers up to date ensures that peripherals will function effectively with your system. So common software tools for peripheral management. So some operating systems come equipped with tools. Some operating systems come equipped with tools designed to resolve common peripheral device issues. Windows include a device troubleshooter, which can automatically find and fix problems related to hardware and devices. Mac operating system or Macintosh operating system allows users to reset the printing system, which can solve numerous printer related issues. If these steps don't fix your problem, consider consulting the devices manual or contacting the manufacturer's support team for assistance. So my dear friend, I hope that you are picking something. So let's go to the next. They're saying that this firing issues with peripheral devices can often seem doubting due to their varied nature and the wide range of possible problems. However, by following systematic troubleshooting steps, by keeping software drivers updated, many common issues with peripherals can be resolved quickly. It is also beneficial to familiarize yourself with the basic functionalities of your peripheral devices so you can recognize when they are not operating as intended. Hoping that you are picking something, my dear friend. So let's continue. I think that in this video, I have been able to talk about many things that are concerning internet connectivity issues, hardware. So my dear friend, in this video, I hope that you are no longer frustrated like this man we are seeing in this lecture, in this video, or in this picture. So my dear friend, those are some of the common computer related problems. So my dear friend, let's meet in the next video and learn more about these problems. So thank you so much for watching. Consider to like, consider to subscribe, consider to share, and in this way we are making computing easier. I wish you a good bye.